So the air conditioners you just saw are the Sharp 10,500 BTU, the Kenmore 5,000 BTU, and the Emerson Quiet Cool 6,300 BTU. Here's the Whirlpool 6,000 BTU with the reciprocating compressor. This one's not running right now. We usually only run this at night. So yeah. Up here in this room we got one of the 7,500 BTU fetters. This has a Rotorex compressor. I'll start it up just for the heck of it. Here's the 5,450 BTU WCI unit. This one, I know I haven't really been consistently naming the components in the air conditioners on this video, but this one has a Sanyo compressor and a GE fan motor. I'll start it up on high. This one had really badly bent condenser fins, so I straightened them out as best as I could. This unit is super quiet, and it cools nicely too. And here we got the pretty much new old stock Kenmore 5,000 BTU. This is made by Whirlpool and has a Matsushita rotary compressor, and the fan motor is made by a company that I don't remember. But this is a good unit. It was so clean when I bought it. This thing is in perfect condition. Let's turn it on. So I figured I'll start this one up anyway. This is the 6,000 BTU Whirlpool. It has a Seeger reciprocating compressor and a General Electric fan motor. I did replace the capacitor in this one, so it's got pretty much a brand new capacitor in it. We'll turn it on low. This unit performs really well. It's from the 70s. And here we are down in the basement. There's the other 7,500 BTU fetters. That one also has a Rotorex compressor and it's pretty much identical, but the fan on that one runs a lot faster. The fan is pretty loud on that one. Not sure why. And then there's the Holmes 5,200 BTU. It's the only reason it's really not being used, I guess, is because it's missing a knob, but I just ordered one on Amazon. It's actually for a Friedrich air conditioner, but I'm pretty sure it's going to fit on there without a problem. It's about the same size, so it'll look just fine. That one has an LG compressor and a Macmillan fan motor, which is kind of unique. Yeah, I probably will find a use for both of these eventually, but right now they're just sitting in the basement. And I got some new videos coming up. I got another Sears box fan without the penthouse controls, and I got two Kmart K223s. That one's got a Macmillan, that one has a Westinghouse, and then I got another third generation Lakewood 223. Well, not another one, this is the first one of these I've ever had, as far as the third generations are concerned anyway, and this one is in pretty good shape. So there'll be videos of these coming up soon. And there's another 8,500